Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Onix Graphite Z5. Onix has long been recognized as one of the top names in the pickleball world, and the Graphite Z5 remains the brand's most iconic and beloved paddle. Designed with a graphite face and a generously wide hitting surface, the Z5 delivers excellent control and a comfortably large sweet spot. This makes it especially appealing for newer players who are still developing consistency and adjusting to the faster pace of competitive play. Weighing in at 8.2 ounces, the Z5 sits in a versatile middle range, ideal for players who aren't yet sure which paddle weight best suits their style. The handle is another standout feature. Its tacky, textured grip closely resembles that of a tennis racket, offering familiarity to crossover players, while the added padding helps reduce hand fatigue during long sessions on the court. During our hands-on testing, the Graphite Z5 impressed us with its overall balance and stability. The Onix honeycomb core contributes to its punchy response, allowing players to generate powerful, confident returns without sacrificing touch or control. Practical durability is also built in. If the paddle slips from your hand or hits the ground, the protective edgeguard helps minimize chips and cracks. With a price tag just under $100, the Z5 delivers the hallmark qualities of a graphite paddle at an accessible value. Its blend of responsiveness, durability, and comfort makes it a paddle you can rely on as you progress from the beginner stage all the way into competitive tournament play. Weight, 8.2 ounces. Dimensions, 8.3 by 15.5 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 2. Head Radical Elite. Fiberglass paddles are known for offering reliable control and a softer overall feel, though they typically don't generate quite as much raw power as graphite models. The upside, however, is that fiberglass paddles are usually more affordable, making them an appealing option for players who want quality performance without a high price tag. Among the many choices available today, the Head Radical Elite stands out as our top fiberglass pick thanks to its lightweight design, impressive durability, and well-balanced performance on the court. This paddle excels during long volleys where precision matters most. Its composite fiberglass hitting surface naturally absorbs some of the impact, giving each shot a softer touch and making it easier to guide the ball exactly where you want it. During our hands-on testing, we found that this gentle feel greatly improved control on returns. While the Radical Elite is only offered in orange or yellow, its performance easily outweighs the limited color selection, especially considering its excellent value at just $70. Another highlight is the handle. The Radical Elite features a longer grip than many pickleball paddles, which is particularly helpful for players who use or want to develop a two-handed backhand. That extra handle length provides stability and comfort, making the paddle feel secure even during intense rallies. Like the Onix Z5, the Radical Elite can absolutely be used for competitive play. However, as you advance, you may eventually prefer a paddle with more power. For beginners and developing players who want to prioritize control and accuracy, two fundamentals of the game, the Radical Elite delivers unbeatable value. Weight, 8.1 ounces. Dimensions, 9 by 16 inches. Grip circumference, 4.16 inches. Number 3. Selkirk Sport SX4 Starter Pack. If you're searching for a convenient and affordable pickleball setup for you and a partner, whether that's a friend, family member, or significant other, the Selkirk SX4 Starter Pack is one of the best options available. Selkirk is a top brand in the pickleball world, and this bundle reflects that quality. The set includes two well-built paddles, for balls, and a carrying bag, giving new players everything they need to start playing right away. Unlike many starter paddles, the SX4 models aren't cheaply made. Each paddle features a polymer honeycomb core, which helps reduce harsh vibrations and softens the feel of each shot, making the game more comfortable for beginners. The paddles also use Selkirk's G4 control graphic surface with SpinFlex technology, a textured outer layer designed to enhance ball control. This surface gives new players a better sense of accuracy and helps them place shots more intentionally, especially during rallies where touch and finesse matter. Comfort is another strong point of the SX4 paddles. The grips are cushioned, absorb sweat effectively, and stay secure in the hand even during longer matches, reducing the chance of slipping or fatigue. At 7.5 ounces, the paddle weight sits nicely in the mid-range, making it comfortable for nearly any player to use without feeling too heavy or too light. Overall, the Selkirk SX4 starter pack offers excellent quality and convenience in one package. For beginners who want trustworthy gear and great value, this bundle makes it easy to get started and enjoy the game right away. Weight, 7.5 ounces. Dimensions, 7.8 by 15.67 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 4. Joola Essentials Paddle. Recess, an Austin, Texas-based brand, has made a name for itself by blending performance with personality in the pickleball world. Known for its stylish gear and playful apparel, the company has quickly become a favorite among players who appreciate both aesthetics and functionality. The Vista Pickleball Paddle, one of Recess's top-selling models, perfectly reflects this combination. Offering nearly 40 different colorways, the Vista comes in everything from timeless, minimalist patterns to bold, limited edition prints, making it easy for players to find a design that matches their personal style. However, the Vista isn't just about looks, it's built with features that support new and casual players as they develop their skills. The paddle's sanded texture surface enhances spin control, giving players the confidence to place shots more precisely. Its honeycomb core provides a balanced level of power, making it reliable for serves, volleys, and controlled returns. Recess also includes a protective edgeguard on each paddle, helping prevent chips and cracks, along with a branded canvas cover to keep it safe when you're on the go. At 7.5 ounces, the Vista offers a comfortable, easy-to-handle weight that works well for a wide range of players. Combined with its standard dimensions and 4.25-inch grip circumference, it delivers a natural feel that won't overwhelm beginners. Overall, the Vista Pickleball Paddle scores major style points while still providing the essential performance features needed to make learning and enjoying the game a smooth, comfortable experience. Weight, 7.5 ounces. Dimensions, 7.8 by 15.67 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 5. Rokne Curve Classic. Joola has established itself as one of the strongest and most respected brands in pickleball, and the Joola Essentials paddle is an excellent option for players who are just starting out but plan to develop into advanced competitors over time. While it isn't the company's most high-tech model, it delivers impressive performance for beginners, offering a large sweet spot and a soft, controlled touch that make it easier to refine placement, dinking, and volleys as you build your fundamentals. One standout feature of the Essentials paddle is its perforated grip, which enhances airflow and helps keep your hand cool and dry during play. This breathable grip design reduces slipping and ensures the paddle stays securely in your hand even in hot weather or during long, competitive rallies. The paddle's construction also supports consistent ball feedback, giving developing players confidence as they work on shaping shots and improving accuracy. A major appeal of the Essentials line is its connection to pro athlete Ben Johns, one of the biggest names in the Professional Pickleball Association, PPA. Designed in collaboration with him, this paddle reflects features that benefit newcomers but also set the stage for future growth. As players gain experience and start seeking more spin and power, the transition to the official Joola Ben Johns CFS tournament paddle becomes a natural next step. Overall, the Joola Essentials paddle delivers durability, comfort, and performance at a great entry-level price, making it an ideal choice for anyone beginning their pickleball journey with long-term improvement in mind. Weight, 8.2 ounces. Dimensions, 7.9 by 15.5 inches. Grip circumference, 4 inches.